Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a simple way to add a sitemap, or perhaps a map to your Wix website, whether it's to guide visitors to a physical location, display your store branches, or just enhance your site's overall usability, then you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly add, customize, and fine-tune a map display on your Wix site, making sure your audience knows exactly where to find you or your business. Let's jump straight into it. The very first thing you'll need to do, of course, is head over to your Wix website. Be sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you're in the editor view, the place where you can actually make changes to your site. This is important because the editor is where you'll have access to all the tools and apps Wix offers. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a handy little search bar up there. This might seem straightforward, but sometimes we forget how powerful search bars really are. Think of them as your compass for navigating the huge sea of Wix features. Just click inside that search bar to activate it. Now, type in Map Store and hit Enter. What this does is bring up the Wix map apps available for your site. Don't worry if you see a few different options. The one you're looking for will typically say something about Map or Store Locator. These apps are designed specifically to add interactive maps to your pages. Clicking and adding this to your page is an easy step. Just select the Map Store, app, or widget, and then look for a prominent Add to Page button. Wix makes these features quite user-friendly. After you've clicked to add it, the app will start loading onto your page. This part might take a few moments, so hold tight and let Wix do its thing. Sometimes your screen will show a loading animation, or maybe the map will appear slowly on the canvas. If it feels like it's taking a bit longer than expected, don't worry. That just means Wix is connecting all the elements behind the scenes to make sure your map works perfectly. Once your map appears, you've basically completed the installation. But here's an important note. The default map will usually show a general location, or maybe a placeholder address. To make this truly useful for your visitors, you'll want to edit the location in the settings. Click on the map, and a small menu or settings panel should pop up. This is where you can enter your real address or specific store locations. For example, if you're operating a coffee shop in downtown Seattle, you can plug in that address so your customers won't miss you. This setting ensures accuracy and helps your visitors trust the information on your site. Next, pay a little attention to the sizing and positioning. The default size might not be ideal for your layout. It could be too small to read easily or too big and overpower the other elements on your page. Don't be shy about resizing the map and moving it around until it fits perfectly where you want it. Think about where your visitors' eyes will land and make your placement welcoming. If you're after a polished, professional look, spend a moment aligning the map with your site's overall design. And that's pretty much it. You've now successfully added and customized a sitemap on your Wix website, giving your audience the confidence and clarity to find your business location. If you run into any hiccups editing the settings, remember that Wix's support articles are quite helpful, and a quick refresh can sometimes solve loading issues. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any questions at all about Wix maps or site editing, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you create next.